In the quiet corners of the world, there lie forgotten treasures, abandoned projects of restoration enthusiasts. Hidden away in old garages, tucked away in dusty attics, or standing sentinel in overgrown backyards, these abandoned projects tell a story of passion, of dreams, and sometimes of dashed hopes. From the sleek curves of a vintage car, its paint peeling and chrome rusting, to the faded grandeur of an antique armoire, its intricate carvings dulled by years of neglect, these relics are a testament to their former glory. The reasons for their abandonment are as varied as the projects themselves. Perhaps the enthusiast ran out of time or money, or simply lost the initial spark of interest that ignited the project. Regardless of the reasons, these unfinished works stand as silent reminders of what might have been. These relics of the past, left to gather dust, are ripe for exploration. They whisper tales of their former glory and hold the potential for rebirth. Venturing into these neglected spaces, we uncover the stories they've been yearning to tell. Each abandoned project we stumble upon is a moment frozen in time, a snapshot of someone's unfinished dream. We can almost hear the echo of the craftsman's hammer, the painter's brush, the mechanic's wrench, all silenced midway through their symphony of creation. As we sift through these time-stained items, we find them in various stages of decay. Some are just a shadow of their former selves, while others have managed to retain much of their original charm. Rust, dust, and cobwebs have become their new adornments, the badges of their long solitude. Our initial assessments reveal a daunting but not insurmountable challenge. Years of neglect have taken their toll, yet beneath the grime and decay, we see the potential for rebirth. Each item, each project, is a puzzle waiting to be solved, a story waiting to be revived. As we peel back the layers of time, we unearth the raw beauty hidden beneath. The thrill of exploration is in the unexpected. Each corner turned, each dust-covered item unearthed is a chapter in a story long forgotten. These relics, these abandoned projects, they are more than just inanimate objects. They are fragments of history, echoes of a bygone era, waiting to be brought back to life. Each discovery, no matter how insignificant it may seem, holds a world of potential. A rusted gear may once have been part of a grand clock, a chipped vase, a cherished family heirloom. They are not just artifacts to be admired, but puzzles waiting to be solved, challenges that beckon the ardent restorer. These abandoned projects, once forgotten, now hold the promise of a new beginning. They are silent reminders that in every ending, there lies the potential for a new start.